Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video I'm going to be talking about booleans. So what are boolean characters? So in Python programming you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate an expression in Python and get one or two answers true or false. I'll just show you the practical application. So for example, let me take a print statement over here and then I'll type 10 is greater than 9. When we run this we should get a boolean expression, so it should either come true or false. In this case it's going to come true. Let me just run and show it to you. As you can see, it's true over here. And what if I do this? So is 10 equals to 9, and it's false. And is 10 smaller than 9? It's again false. Is 10 not equal to 9? When you run this, it's true. So these are all boolean characters. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you use boolean function. Let me remove this. Let me add bool and then inside the brackets 10. So the value should be true. Yeah, it's true. If I specify 0, it's going to take as false. So this is how we use the boolean function. Python also has a built-in function that returns a boolean value like isInstance function, which can be used to determine if an object of certain type is true or false. Let me define a variable x equals 200 or 250, and then I'm going to print out isInstance and then inside a brackets x comma int, and let me run this. It should give me true. Yeah, it's over here. So this is how you use isInstance function. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.